I'm a discovery person. My life is trying to figure out biological processes. Kemp Bio is a gene-to-protein company producing proteins for preclinical applications in drug discovery. We generate a lot of viruses. We're stirred tank bioreactor people, so we do a lot of immunotherapeutics.
We have a lot of expertise in baculovirus and baculovirus expression.
Virus-like particles and nanoparticles. The small company atmosphere is a hungry atmosphere. We like the ability to react quickly. It's one where you've got to get things done. Being in that kind of environment helps us keep our timelines as short as we possibly can. It's mainly just communication. You know, communication lines are open and trying to come up to speed with people. You have to understand the process or what they're doing in order to be able to help them.
Because we're such a small company, if you have an idea of how to try to make something work, you don't have to go through 10 layers of, your boss and your boss's boss and so on and so forth. You can actually talk to the people who are making your protein. So we can let you know what really is going on and give you, up to the minute when you can expect your protein, where we're at with it. It's almost like a collaboration.
Well, we do that because it helps us develop relationships, and that's what it's all about. Developing a good relationship with a customer, long-term relationships with the customer, that's what keeps companies like ours going. The customer is the expert on these proteins, so they know a lot about either that particular protein or its application. And we know how to express proteins from gene sequence and purify them and get them something that they can work with.
The really neat thing about the 100-liter is it's a disposable bag. So what we do in that and here can just transfer over to a GMP facility.
The systems for protein expression have improved to the point where 100 liters can give you enough to do a primate study, or enough to do crystallography, even on a poor expressor. I think one of the reasons that we do innovate well is that we have been doing this for so long, that we have such a great treasure chest of ideas that have been tried or haven't been tried yet. We all get together and talk about issues that we're up against. It's a nice combination, really, of intuition and scientific knowledge and a little art to be able to develop these proteins and express these proteins, especially the difficult ones. We find that challenging, and we love challenges. That's what drives this company.